Hey there everybody, my name is OTHMARIUS and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a fast-paced tutorial on the pass highlighting the keynotes on the move. OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe. First of all, we need to get a neat pinky break. What am I saying? That's not just a pinky break. The tip of the pinky goes in the gap here, full throttle, right? There it goes. And then you have to position the tips of your middle finger and ring finger on the back of the cards, and also your index is playing here a big role, right? So all them three fingers get curled over the backs of the cards, and then try to have your thumb run as parallel as possible to the left long side. Now your hand is opening, and then you're going to carry the package away. It's going to swing vertical, and as soon as it comes underneath the lower package, it flips back into the palm of the hand. In order to do that, of course, you need to take hold of the bottom pack here, and you clip the bottom package between thumb and middle finger, pretty much at the left third of the short sides. Your ring finger and your pinky support the grip. Have those fingers, be close together here. Makes it so much better. And your index finger rests loosely here, stretched out, also on top of the whole construction. And now you're enabled to open your left hand, carrying the package away as it flips vertical, and as soon as it goes underneath the other package, it flips back in the palm of the hand. Something like this. There we go. It flips vertical, and then it flips back in the palm of the hand. If you want to study this move more carefully, more closely, may I suggest my tutorial series on the pass, covering all the in and outs, all the subtleties. If this watch was worth your time, smash triple combo like, subscribe, and notification bell icon, and you rest assured more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon.